But first I'm just going to prime my eyes with this M.A.C soft ochre paint pot, and afterwards I'm just blending it with my fingers. And for my brushes I'm using this beautiful limited edition brushes from Wet n Wild. They're super gorgeous. And now I'm just setting my primer, and after that I'm gonna go and take these beautiful two colors from this palette and blending it in on my crease with a blending brush. And after my crease color I'm gonna go and take this palette, Huda Beauty Dust palette, and gonna go and apply the color blazing above my crease with the same brush and blending it in and applying it a little bit on my lower lash line, as you can see here. And now on a small brush I'm gonna go and take this beautiful color which is called Oud, and I'm just applying it on my outer V and then lightly blending it in. Now I'm just gonna go and apply this beautiful foiled eyeshadow trust one with my finger on my lid area, and yeah, just blending it in with my fingers. And now taking this black truffle color from the Huda Beauty palette and applying it a little bit over that trust one color and then lightly blending it in. To make it a little bit more smokier, I'm adding this oud color again over that black truffle and then blending it in a little bit as well. So all these eyeshadow looks nice and blended and smooth actually. Using those same colors on my lower lash line with a small pencil brush. And now from my Huda Beauty palette I'm taking this color and highlighting my brow bone, and to make it more glamorous I'm adding a little bit pigment from Inglot. And for my eyeliner I'm using my favorite eyeliner from Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner in shade Trooper. I'm just lightly applying it and making sure that everything looks nice and smooth and my wing looks really sharp. A little bit on my inner corners as well to sharpen it up a little bit more. Now apply a few coat of mascaras, and I'm using my favorite mascara by Dior Cosmetics. And then for a pair of falsies I'm using these falsies from the Lash bar, and they are in the style Whimsical. I just love this style. They are so full and fluffy and they look amazing on that. Using a little bit Inglot gel eyeliner on my lower waterline and then just smudging it in with a small pencil brush. And to add a little bit more glam to this look I'm using this Still at Magnificent Metal Glitters, and this one is in the shade Smoldering Satin, and I'm just applying it on my inner corner so they look highlighted. Now for my face I'm just applying a little bit for Sali oil because I have dry skin, so I'm just prepping my skin with this oil. And then I'm gonna go and apply this beautiful foundation which is Chanel Perfection Lumière, and I'm in the shade Beige 30. I'm just blending it in with a beauty blender. And then applying a little bit concealer to hide all those dark circles and imperfections I have on my skin. So yes, and adding a little bit of this Kat Von D Lock-It concealer as well to highlight my face area because this is a shade lighter than my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And then I'm again blending it with a beauty blender. I just love the way my skin feels after blending all these products with a beauty blender because it gives you a really flawless kind of finish. it's time to contour, so I'm using this LA Pro concealer, and this one is in the shade Espresso, I guess, and I'm just contouring it with this, applying a really small amount of this product, and then again I'm gonna blend it out with a beauty blender. After blending, I'm just gonna go and set my contour with this Hoola Benefit powder, and I'm just applying it like this. Yeah, I'm just setting those contoured area. Now I'm using these two beautiful blushes. One is from NYX Cosmetics and the other one is from the M.A.C Factor, and they are in the shade Pink the Town and Sable. I'm just mixing these two colors together to get the perfect shade which I wanted for this look. For my highlight, I'm using this Huda Beauty highlighter palette, and this one is in the shade Golden Shades. And look at the glow, guys. The shades are pigmented. Yeah. So this look is really all about that bronze and gold kind of goddess makeup. Now for my lips, I'm using this Huda Beauty trendsetter lipstick, liquid lipstick, and it's a really nice. Now as a lip topper, I'm using this Huda Beauty Shameless lip strobe, and it's such a beautiful color. So yeah, I'm just applying it a little bit on my lips, and you see it's quite pigmented. Now I'm just trying to make those inner corners of mine, and yeah, we are almost done, and I'm just gonna go and put up a kit, and we are good to go. Yeah.